See how I'm pushing up the tiles to put them across in? You don't just try and force it in. You lift your tiles and your home and hose. I've got to make sure I'm dead plumb, but once I lay those, I'll adjust it then. One thing I haven't checked, or one thing I haven't done, I'll just zap up here to, right, so I need my glue. See how I've left a bit DIYs, because that ceiling, 98% of the time a ceiling is out of level, so you allow for it. So I know to come up to that mark with my glue and we're laughing. Always looking at your lines. The best way to put your crosses in, have your Stanley knife, push them in. Because once they've got glue on, they're hard to get out. So push them right in. Then they're hidden, you're not having to pull them out with your fingers or pliers and they're stuck in there with glue. Oh, nah. Nah. So once I get up there, those two other rows, I'll check that for plumb and make sure I'm right. This windowsill is out of level, but that's all right. I'll level it up when I do my tiles. It's not a good idea to comb down, because as your trowel loads up with glue, it'll fall on the floor. You end up with a hell of a mess. So be careful. There you have it. Have a bit of a stack. Don't go 2 rows and then start putting in your crosses. Put your crosses in each row, because it gets too heavy. And when it gets too heavy, you're pushing in too hard to lift them up. But that all sort of comes down to a bit of experience, I suppose. I don't know. When you're pushing up one row to put your crosses in, it's not so heavy. Whoop, 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 whoop. I would never in a million years spread my whole wall. I go on about this all the time, and you probably think, Jesus, the old fart's talking about it again. I would, well, not, but I'm going to. I would never spread that whole wall, because your glue will skin, and then when you see in other videos people coming in and they're peeling the tiles off the wall, that is why, because the tiler has stuck it on to skinned glue. Tomorrow's Anzac Day. I'll be taking the day off. A little bit of respect to the old fellas. Right, push the crosses in. Checking your lines all the time, looking at them, because that's going to dry. I'll be coming back to that tomorrow, because I want to get right around today, so I'll be coming back to that. And because I always like to cut in right around the top all at the same time. Okay, that looks fairly tidy to me. Check that for plumb, Chriso. That's good. See that? Nah, it's all good. I'm only falling. See ya. Bye.